cordless impact drill. Battery 2.0 ampere-hour, 20 volts. The body is made of nylon material. 3D non-slip textured rubberized handle makes it more comfortable to hold. Speed up, gear adjustment. 3-function adjustment, drilling, screwing, impact modes. Torque adjustment range, 1-19 gears. Forward and reverse adjustment. Stepless speed, control switch. High intensity LED auxiliary light. Battery level display. The hammer function can be used on tiles and glass without causing cracks. Free bid with machine.